when the bell begins to chime, reflecting on my past life, and it doesn't have much time, 'cause at 5 o'clock they take me to the gallows pole. The sands of time for me are running low. Running low.
Change about you, it's hard to speak our mind. How come we never try it? In this world I thought that I'd forget you. Now I realize I can't live without you. It's funny how we think we're right, but that happens all the time. And now we're oh so happy in this world we live in. And we're never gonna break our bonds 'cause we carried them too far. About it. Now we're oh so happy in this world we live in. And we're never gonna break our bonds 'cause we've carried them too far. Now we're oh so happy in this world we live in. And we're never gonna break our bonds 'cause we've carried them too far. Never thought I'd say too much before now. Never thought I had too much to say. Caught up and I've got this new sound. I'm not thinking much about things, I'm just living for today. If you buy me a toy, it back gon' make me smile. Looking at my bank account, shaking my head. Should I cop another bag of notes? Yes, 6 in the morning, I don't wanna go home. Yeah, it's been 4 hours since I checked my phone. Yeah, staring at my bracelet, twin, I'm shaking my head. Should I go and cop a bag or not? Never stop doing
doing keys in the bathroom, will you love me better? Yo, every time that you get with me, yeah, I feel like I'm young forever. Yeah, running up stupid taps inside the club, makes it feel alive. Yeah, I done so long, so I know more, but I still put my friend. I feel young forever when you geek up on my side. Oh, you're always heading down the back, I know you never tried. Yeah, my crew says I'm crazy, yeah, she doesn't need to be in her life. Yeah, caught a ball, got a huge bag from a team, then I took flight. Yeah, told my crew I'm a good boy, spay me cause I just lied. Yo, mama says I got good boys, you know how hard I tried. Yo, yeah, I'm trying to make good choices, but a bag toss every time. Yo, couldn't even make it in the club, I was doing keeps in the line. If I'm not ball, I'm gonna stay for a while. If you buy me a 20 bag, it'll make me smile. Looking at my bank account, I'm shaking my head. Should I go and cover the bag on those? When I'm on my crazy Twitter, I'm never alone. I fell asleep in the car, I woke up at my home. Yo, it's 5 a.m., I'm walking inside my house, going crazy. Should I cop another bag or not? Yeah.